In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create alignment Civil 3D. We'll walk through creating an alignment using either an existing object or by drawing one manually, and I'll share clear guidance so you know exactly what you're doing at each stage. First, open the alignment tools. You can use the ribbon key tips by pressing Alt, then H, then A, then L. That takes you straight to the alignment creation commands. If you prefer the ribbon path, go to Home, then Create Design, Alignment, and choose Create Alignment from Objects. Either method lands you in the same place, ready to build your alignment. Next, decide whether you're converting an existing object or starting from scratch. If you already have a polyline or a line that traces your corridor or roadway, click it to convert it into an alignment. This is great for speeding things up and keeping your geometry consistent. If not, no problem. You can skip selection and draw the alignment manually. Just be sure your object snaps are on so you can pick points accurately. Before you commit, set the alignment properties. Give your alignment a clear descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Pick the type such as centerline or offset, depending on whether this represents the main control line or a parallel reference. Choose a style to control how the alignment looks on screen and in plots, and set the layer so it organizes properly in your drawing. These choices don't change the geometry, but they make your work cleaner, easier to manage, and ready for downstream tasks. If you're drawing manually, start by clicking your start point in plan view. From there, place tangents to define your straight segments. Civil 3D will help you maintain continuity as you go. When you need to transition, add curves between tangents to create smooth geometry that matches design intent. You can accept default curve settings or adjust them as you work, but try to keep your tangents and curves flowing logically along the intended path. Continue until you reach your endpoint. Zoom in as needed to ensure clean picks, and use snaps to avoid tiny gaps or overlaps. When you're satisfied, press Enter to finish the alignment. Civil 3D will finalize it with the properties you set, and you'll see it listed in your prospector under alignments. From here, it's ready for profiles, corridors, or annotation, but that's for another time. That's it. You've opened the tools, optionally selected an object, set the key properties, drawn the alignment with tangents and curves, and finished by pressing Enter. Thanks for watching, and practice a few times to build speed and confidence.